Hello, my friend. Welcome to today's episode of Learn English Podcast 360. I am very happy that you are here with me today. This is the podcast where you can learn English in a simple, clear, and easy way. You do not need a textbook. You do not need a teacher in the room. You only need to listen, relax, and enjoy. Now, let me ask you a question. Can your brain really learn English while you sleep? Think about that for a moment. You are resting, your eyes are closed, and your body is calm. And at the same time, your brain is still learning. It sounds like something from a movie, right? But it is true in a special way. In this episode, we are going to talk about learning English while sleeping. You will learn how the brain works when you are asleep, what is possible to learn at night, and what is not possible. You will also learn how to set up your own routine so you can start tonight. By the end of this episode, you will have everything you need to try sleep learning for yourself. So, are you ready? I invite you to sit back or even lie down if you are ready for bed. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's begin this journey together. How the brain works during sleep. Let's start by talking about the brain. Your brain is the most amazing part of your body. It is like a supercomputer that never stops working. When you go to sleep, your body rests, but your brain continues to do many jobs. It cleans away bad chemicals, it helps your body heal, and most important, it organizes your memories. There are two main stages of sleep that are important for learning. The first one is called deep sleep. During deep sleep, your body is very calm. Your muscles rest, your breathing is slow, and your brain is busy saving the things you learned during the day. It is like pressing the save button on your computer. Imagine you wrote a document. If you don't save it, it can be lost. But when you press save, the document is safe. This is what your brain does during deep sleep. It saves your memories. The second stage is called light sleep. In light sleep, your body is still resting, but your brain is a little more open. You can still hear sounds around you. For example, if someone speaks your name softly, you may notice it. If a song plays in the background, your brain can still hear parts of it. It is like hearing soft music when you are half awake. This is important for English learning because in light sleep, your brain can catch simple sounds, words, or short phrases. It does not mean you will understand everything, but it means your brain is still active. It is still working with sound. So remember this: deep sleep, save information. Light sleep, notice simple sounds. And both of these stages can help you in your English journey. What you can and cannot learn while sleeping. Now let's answer the big question. What can you really learn while you are sleeping, and what can you not learn? First, let's look at what you can learn. You can learn vocabulary words. For example, if you listen to a list of common English words during the night, your brain can start to remember them better. You can also learn short phrases. These are small groups of words that people use every day. Phrases like, good morning, how are you, or see you later. Hearing these phrases at night can help you remember them when you are awake, and you can improve your listening patterns. Your brain is very good at finding patterns. If you listen to English sounds again and again, even during sleep, your brain will start to know the rhythm of English. It is like listening to your favorite song many times. At first, you don't know the words, but after many times, you begin to sing along. Now, let's look at what you cannot learn while sleeping. Well, you cannot learn complex grammar rules. For example, you will not learn the difference between past perfect and present perfect by only listening at night. Those things need active study. You also cannot become fluent in speaking while sleeping. Speaking requires practice with your mouth, your tongue, and your voice. That can only happen when you are awake and practicing. So, here is the truth. Sleep learning is not a magic trick. It will not make you fluent overnight, but it is a powerful support tool. It helps your brain remember more. It helps your listening skills grow stronger, and it helps you stay connected with English every single day. How to learn English while sleeping? Now let's get practical. How can you start learning English while you sleep? I will give you 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the right material. Pick audio that is slow and clear. Do not choose fast conversations or difficult news. Choose something like a vocabulary list, a short and simple conversation, or a relaxing English podcast with slow speech. The easier the material, the better for your brain at night. Step 2. Set up your environment. Make sure your bedroom is comfortable. Turn off bright lights. Close the window if it is noisy outside. You can use a small speaker or sleep headphones. But remember, keep the volume low. You don't need it to be loud. Even soft sound is enough for your brain. Step 3, timing. The best time is just before you fall asleep. Turn on your audio when you are ready to sleep. Let it play for 30 to 60 minutes. This is the time when your brain is moving into light sleep and then deep sleep. That is the perfect time to let your brain catch English words and save them. Step 4, be consistent. This is maybe the most important step. Do it every night. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do not brush one time and expect clean teeth forever. You brush every day, and slowly your teeth stay healthy. It is the same with sleep learning. Every night is a small step forward. Step 5, combine with active learning. Sleep learning works best when you also practice during the day. For example, in the morning, read 5 English sentences. In the afternoon, try a short speaking exercise. At night, listen while you sleep. This way, your brain is practicing all day and all night. Follow these steps and you will see small but real progress. Extra tips to make sleep learning stronger. Now let me share some extra tips to make sleep learning even more powerful. Tip 1, use positive affirmations. Affirmations are short, simple sentences that give you confidence. You can listen to sentences like, I can learn English every day. English words are becoming easier for me. I believe in myself. These sentences are easy for your brain to remember, and they help you feel strong about your English journey. Tip 2, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Before bed, avoid looking at your phone. The bright light makes it harder to sleep. Instead, do something calming. You can stretch, breathe deeply, or listen to soft music in English. This helps your body relax and prepares your brain for better learning. Tip 3, remember that repetition is power. If you hear the same word many times, your brain starts to remember it naturally. This is why listening to English at night is so useful. It gives your brain many chances to repeat the same sounds. Tip 4, track your progress. In the morning, write down any new words that come to your mind. Even if you only remember one new word, it is still progress. Over time, these small wins will grow into big results. What not to expect. It is important to be honest. Here are some things you should not expect from sleep learning. Number 1, you will not be fluent overnight. Learning a language takes time. Number 2, You will not master grammar rules while sleeping. Grammar needs active practice. Number 3, you cannot replace real study with sleep learning. Think of it as a tool, not the whole system. Number 4, it may not work the same for everyone. Some people feel strong results and some people feel small results, and that is okay. The key is to stay patient and keep going. So let's finish with some motivation. Remember, every night is a chance to learn more. Even while you are resting, your brain is working for you. By listening to English while you sleep, you can learn new words, improve your listening skills, build more confidence, be patient with yourself, celebrate small progress. If you learn one new word, that is success. If you understand one more phrase, that is success. Small steps lead to big results over time. So, my friend, keep going, keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast. Come back for more English tips and share this with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Now it's time for you to rest, relax, and let your brain do its work. Sleep well, learn well, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care.